Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be recapping some trials and tribulations with business owners. And make sure you watch till the end because I'm going to be sharing 4 tips on how to avoid getting ripped off on a business funding, either whether you're on the borrower, whether you're on the lender side. I'll show you that. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the #1 Merchant Cash Advance channel here on YouTube, okay? We just hit 600 subscribers. Thank you guys. Really appreciate it, the support. And also, if you're serious about growing your Merchant Cash Advance business, I got a coupon code down below where you'll get your own website. And also, you can also send me some if you have any business owners that are interested, you can send me their info, and what we can do is we'll actually fund them for you. I met some big partners. Me and my partners here, we found I found people with a bunch of capital that are willing to fund. They want to put the money out there on the streets. Okay, so send me an email if you're interested in that. info@funderhunt.co. And lastly, get your 2 free stocks linked down below when you deposit $100. Okay, so first up, the first deal that we had, it was a deal that actually could not be funded because the business owner did not have a valid ID. His ID expired. Okay, and I understand that. And what he said, he's in New York, so what he said is that the DMV is closed for all transactions for at least a couple more weeks, might even be months before we can get a new ID for this guy. Okay, and he got a temporary one, an interim one. They said that underwriting said that was no good. So I didn't even know that before that. I didn't even know that, you have to have a valid ID. I think that's, I've seen like expired IDs not get accepted, but like not even the interim ID works, right? So that was pretty interesting. Also, we had this Canadian business owner that I had no idea what to do with. Like, I specialize here in the U.S. We fund all 50 states in the U.S. So it's a good file. It's just the people that have seen it just don't want to look at it. But because Canada's lending restrictions are pretty much tighter than here in the U.S. and they're not big on businesses from what I've heard. Okay, so you guys made it to the end of the video. I'm gonna share with you something, give you something a surprise at the end of the video. Okay, here's how you can avoid getting ripped off. Okay, #1, make sure that you have deposits in your business checking account. Okay, you gotta have at least a couple $1,000s, if not millions of dollars. The sky's the limit. We can fund no matter how many deposits you have, but try to keep it at least at a couple thousand. Okay, or maybe you didn't start your business yet. We could try to look into that for you as well. But also, the threshold might be higher for higher risk industries. For example, auto sales. We require millions of dollars minimum. We got to be making millions of dollars on annual revenue. Okay, let's say what else? We got trucking. That's not a good industry as well. I'm sure there's more. Construction might be one. So those higher risk industries, we typically set the bar higher on what we want to see from these guys. Okay, and #2, make sure you have a decent enough credit score. Try to keep it above 700. Above 700 is when you're going to get the best terms. You're just going to save money on your funding. You're just going to literally save money. #3, try to keep your negative days and NSFs in your banking account low. Okay, we don't want to see more than 5 non-sufficient funds fees coming in your account. And #4, what was the last one? What was the last one? Oh, time in business. Time in business. Time in business, typically, we want to have at least 3-4 months in business before we can actually fund you with those deposits coming in that I mentioned earlier. Okay, and yeah, the credit score is not really a big issue. We could fund with a 500 credit score. I've seen 400. I seen this the other day. 474 credit score. Yeah, I don't know, man. But yeah, that is what it is. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Remember, get your 2 free stocks from Webull. And if you're serious, when you deposit $100, and if you're serious about becoming a Merchant Cash Advance broker, growing your Merchant Cash Advance business, link up either with me or check out my coupon code down below. All right, I'm gonna head out. It was a very long, productive day. So, and if you guys, like I said, if you guys know anybody that could use this funding, you know, we just have these aggressive programs coming out. Things are opening back up. You know, September, we're trying to finish the year strong. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace. Thanks for watching. Bye.